Philip has to wear a uniform to work.
Martin broke his leg, so he has to walk with crutches.
Mary doesn't have to work on Saturdays.
You don't have to help with the cooking. I'll do it.
You must wear a helmet when you ride a motorbike.
You must study harder.
You mustn't smoke here.
You can go to your friend's house after you've finished your homework.
May we use our dictionaries, sir?
No, you may not.
Can I borrow your CD, please?
Sure.
Can I help you do the washing up?
Could I be excused for a minute?
Of course.
Where's Linda?
She may still be at the library.
Where's Linda?
She might still be at the library. You should keep your back straight while doing this exercise. You ought to keep your back straight while doing this exercise.